Given a string, s equals test abc test test abc test 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 abc test test abc. This seems to only remove the first occurrence of abc in the string above, s equals s.replace abc. How do I replace all occurrences of it? In the latest versions of most popular browsers, you can use replace all as shown here, but check can I use or another compatibility table first to make sure the browsers you're targeting have added support for it first. For Node.js and compatibility with older, non-current browsers. Note, don't use the following solution in performance-critical code as an alternative to regular expressions for a simple literal string. You could use the general pattern. Is this used to be faster in some cases than using replace all and a regular expression? But that doesn't seem to be the case anymore in modern browsers. Benchmark https://jsben.ch/tzYzj. Conclusion: if you have a performance-critical use case, e.g., processing hundreds of strings, use the regular expression method. But for most typical use cases, this is well worth not having to worry about special characters.